Where are we going, bro?
Yak!
Yeah, we're going to Yakiniku. We're going to go to Slappy Pizza.
Slice.
But sorry, Slappy Slice, a Fortnite restaurant. But I guess Big Man didn't feel like it. I do feel like yak more than I do pizza right now. It's just I've been like 100 times, but I've never filmed it. So I'm going to show you the process. I'm going to do. This is going to be a Yakiniku Goen tutorial. There it is, man. Best yak on island, arguably. Definitely the best Goen one that I've been to. Sheesh. Looking busy for a middle of the day, but it is a Saturday. And word must have spread out. You must have leaked the word that this is the best one, man.
No.
It was definitely me.
It's only Asians that are this one anyways.
Yeah, that's how you know it's better. They're not the other ones where they put all like the shitty meat that they need to get rid of because they're like stupid Americans won't know us. Smells good. It smells like some good barbecue out here. Yakiniku Goen. Normally you check in here, but I guess we can just go straight in today. Not busy enough. Alright, so how it works is order off a little digital menu, which is fine because language barrier. Normally I wouldn't like that sort of thing, but this is just way easier. So I'm gonna go alcohol, non-alcohol, non-negotiable. So it's Asahi. That's the only one they do. I'm gonna get the large so you can see how big these bad boys are. Of course, you got me the melon soda to start though. No straw. Pretty good. On the grilled menu, always get the hanging tender slice. 2 orders of that. Oh wait, hold on. Needs to be the salted leek version. 2 servings. Then we get the, I always forget the name of it, but I think it's the stamina Goen ribs in a pot.
Yes, sir.
Servings of that. 2 servings of cheese naan, garlic cheese naan. Regular rice.
Medium size.
Is that in dish? Yeah. Medium sized rice. And a taco rice for me. Stone pot taco rice, comes out nice and hot. And for right now, that looks good, boss. I would have got the smaller cup because I'm getting a beer. But that's all good, man. It's all good. Big order, might get the sexy robot waitress, that's what I'm hoping for. Beer just arrived. Size of this. It's a big mug, man. I think it costs, hold on. I want to get the price in, oh, okay. 1,050, so, I don't know, $7 or $8. Pretty good value, I think. Although it is just an Asahi, it's not like a IPA or anything, but decent taste when it's out of the tap. Too much foam though. Here comes our sexy robot. Oh, it's not ours. It's a table over. I'm looking pretty thick, man. I haven't got an actual sip of beer yet. It's all foam. I do wish maybe about here would be perfect. This isn't a British point. I'm getting warmed up. It's all. Get the tiniest one.
You want a straw, bro?
It's a fickle thing, you know, because you go to Chili's, there's no head at all. I want a little bit. Why is it so hard to meet in the middle? Maybe this time. Finally, it's like drinking an ice cream. Where's the flake? I've got a bloody ice cream. Forgot to ask for my soy sauce. This is the only thing I dislike about this one. You have to ask specifically for soy sauce. Otherwise, all they give you is a spicy miso sauce or the Yakiniku sauce. Yakiniku soy sauce. Which you seem to like, but it's a bit sweet for me. I just like the saltiness of the regular. Here she comes, man. I just died on your own. I feel like she more went to him. Get the beat, right. Yeah. Hey, give her a tip, yeah? Alright, this bit's pretty simple. Got the grill in the center. Just throw that on there. Oh, the napkins I was talking about from my previous video, it's these ones. It's like a sheet of A4 paper is basically the value of this. Arguably cheaper than that, but it doesn't wipe anything off your face. It just kind of smears grease around. Oh, and by the way, this okay for you, the follower that commented about my dirty fingernails? It's not my fault, all right. Thank you. The nature of my work contributes to this. It's a combination of jet fuel, sealant, hydro, multiple types of oils. Once it gets on brake dust, and once it gets into the embeddedness, it'll take a full weekend of regular showering and hand washing for it to come out. So, mind your business. Oh man, you really stacked up here, huh? All right, here comes the stone pot taco rice and a cheese naan. Thank you. Garlic cheese naan. I'll let you get a better angle of this. This is the stuff here. Maybe it looks a little bit placid right now. You just mix it around a little bit. You hear that sizzle coming off of the pot there? The steam's rolling off. It could do a bit more beef and cheese. They skimped a little bit this time, man. And then on the right, personal favorite is that cheese naan, dude. Got it. First bite's got to be that. So, one bite going in. A little bit less cheese than usual, huh? But the bread is it's really, really soft. Cheese is like mozz or something, not got a whole lot of flavour, and then you got some garlic powder on the top. It's delicious, and it's unlimited, by the way. Whole thing, excluding the beer, 3,800 yen, unlimited food for. I've never had my time run out here, but I imagine it goes on for like at least 2 hours, right?
Yeah.
Before they kick you out. There are higher tiers. You can get one that's, I don't know if it's 5,000 yen or whatever, it includes like scallops and seafood and stuff, but for me, you're wanting to fill up, man. You want to get on all the beef. Oh, jeez. Get some smoke off this taco rice. Pot's hot. Really salty. I like that. The ground beef it's not really got any cumin or anything. There's not really anything that taco about it. It tastes like the Taco Bell meat, right? Kind of. I'd say so. This guy is obsessed with it. One right here. Pretty good. Keeps trying to track on my face, so it doesn't always focus, but I know I got a good focus shot there. Put it off the side on your main plate to cool down a little bit. They gave us the worst seat in the house, man, for the Geesians. Right, before we have to request help, I'm gonna get at least the hanging tender down. God, now it's coming at me. Dip in the soy, or the fake soy, Yakiniku soy, whatever that means. One bite. Hit and miss sometimes. Sometimes you come in and it's not so tender, it's a little bit more gristly. Depends on what cuts they have at the moment. It's a little bit gristly, but far from the worst I've had. It changes every time as well, so like every order that we get, that second bite was a lot better. Probably not the best cut of meat, but far from the worst. I even dipped this into some of the soy sauce sometimes. Crazy, man. Little Caesar's crazy bread is just normal bread to somebody like me. I know what you're already thinking. This is all you can eat while you're loading up on carbs, like rice and cheese naan. Because I'm a big bag, so either way I'm getting my money's worth. Talking about you over there, or anybody else for that matter, that can't wolf down a lot of food, it's just because it's delicious, man. You gotta have the combo. It all adds its own little thing. Now there are some items like chicken intestine, or chicken tongue, or beef tongue, beef tongue, liver. There's another one that's it's like it literally says in the menu, chicken cartilage. Not my thing. I did try it once and I immediately spit it out. It was absolutely disgusting. I don't know why anybody would pay for that. That's like if you're in a work camp, that's like what you get. It's like the leftovers. This one is kind of the star of the show. It varies each time you come, just based on whichever cut's better that day. But it's the stone pot. Yeah, Goen pot ribs. Don't look like a rib to me. little slithers. It's very, very good. Anyway. That one's pre-marinated before you put it down. I think that adds to it with a sort of teriyaki-ish sauce, but it's far better than the hanging tender today. Like way better. Nice crispy edges, I think, because of the sugar on it, and super tender. Didn't even need any sauce, that one, but I would like a side of soy sauce because the only thing is lacking, as ever, is salt, because I do be loving a lot of salt. These pieces right here on the far end, very very delicious. So even though there's multiple menu items, sometimes I get the garlic chicken, that's pretty good too, but these two are by far the ones that you want the most. You concur? I even got the sausage once, which was essentially a hot dog grilled, which wasn't bad, but it's like, if you want to get your money's worth, you're not going to be buying the hot dogs out of here, you know what I'm saying? Second naan. This one appears to have a little bit more cheese. Dude, this kind of just broke. Oh well, no more pepper for us, I guess. First meal today, so. And I came back last night, bought a micro curry on the way home and then didn't eat it, so. Very hungry now, god damn, man.
That's a tuna mayo.
There goes their tip. As I suspected, that I am a big bag. I was able to eat more than I ever even anticipate. Felt I'd be doing you dirty if I didn't get the little cocktail weenies that you can also put on here. Got the garlic chicken coming too, just because I like that as a nice addition, but big man's here is all about tapped out at this point, but I'll probably like 2 of these. I have a second pot of rice coming. I'm on my last naan and the garlic chicken too, so there's quite a lot of food, man, but like you said, you got to get a big bag and you got to get your money's worth, man. Now I've heard that they do try to charge you extra if you leave a bunch of food left, but I think we've done that once or twice, but it's like literally like a couple of pieces. I'm not going to kick off about that, at least I've not experienced it. Today will be no different, but just so you know, that's kind of I think a bit of a myth, unless you ordered like a bunch of shit and then just like straight up walked out. That would be messed up. They'd probably take it back, give it to somebody else. They might already be doing that, we don't know. That noise kind of annoys me. It's not just here. Anywhere that has those robots does that. There was a cleaning one in Sapporo that did it. Going around the train station.
It's gotta be so that people don't run into it.
Yeah, it's like YouTube vlog music. Right, check this out. I'm gonna make a naan taco. It's a hell of a taco, Frankie. I like the combo. Got a chicken on my...
Bro, barely even touches beer.
It's like that every time. You're focusing so much on eating, and also it's beer, so it's kind of bubbly. It makes your gut enlarge. And you kind of just force it down at the end. I don't actually even normally get the big one anymore. I got it today because of the video, but you're better off just getting the medium because they're charging you for each one anyway. You're not getting them for free, so don't do what I did usually. There's a chicken, garlic chicken. Garlic chicken. Just looks like regular chicken breast, not thigh. That would be a nice addition though if they had chicken thigh here. I'm pretty sure it's cheaper, right, than breast. I want that to spread out. Last of the spread here. Couple weenies. I think those are about done. Maybe a little bit longer. And pile of meat I got left here. Also got rice coming, so big bag times 3. Really hot. A little bit better than I remember last time. I guess a tiny bit smokier than a regular stadium brat, but also a tiny bit thinner. Raw section looks pretty good. got 3 of them to eat here, so this and the remainder of the chicken. I don't know, I'm probably gonna have to nap as well, man. Second bowl of taco rice, bowl of gravy. You got the ice cream, other thing, mandatory afterwards. I'll get one when I'm done. Is the soft serve ice cream cone that you serve yourself at the front. You can get chocolate, vanilla, or mixed like he got. I'm a vanilla guy. I don't like chocolate ice cream, so that's what I'm gonna get. I think this one's done. At least massive portions are done. I found out a way to make it focus is just make it hover right in front of my face. Okay, no, it doesn't want to work. There we go. Yes, sir. All right. Just still let it cool. Looking great. Yeah, I don't like that. You had that? I don't like it. Stick with the sweet soy sauce, I guess. Chicken was good though, by the way, texture. Couldn't taste much of it. It's quite a strong garlic taste. Try it again. Much better. Totally smooth, you know, very, very tender, no hard bits. I could say the chicken quality, because as far as chicken goes in quality, there's like, the roof is not as high as it is with beef, so that's like top tier quality chicken. The beef isn't. With that said, I still rather have the beef because I know it costs more, and it's just the flavor in beef is completely different, you know. I mean, the other 2 pieces are ready now, finally. So, with them off, we have finally cleared the grill. Yeah, turn it off so we can finally get all the smoke to stop blowing in our faces. And that's it, man. Just finish off what I've got left here. A little bit of rice, a little bit of chicken, and an ice cream, because there's always room for ice cream. Get the cone. Hope no mice have been at this. Chocolate, mix, vanilla. Check the technique. That's a hell of a cone, Frank. A little bit watery. Okay, I kind of messed it up, but oh good. Let's go. Be quick because the ice cream melts very quickly out here. After dinner thoughts.
Don't you make a mess in here.
I'll eat it out here. Basically, not as good as usual, but still pretty good. Like, the smoky thing was pissing me off. It's not normally like that, by the way. Never like that. Look how quickly this is melting now. So annoying.
Throw it.
I'm not gonna throw it, I wanna eat it. It's really good. It's like a McDonald's ice cream. But, yeah. Won't be back for a while. It's probably gonna be my going away. Probably not this one though. Maybe go to a new one. New Yakiniku spot. All in all though, I've been 100 times, but that was like more like a 6.8 out of 10. Usually it's like a 7.9 out of 10. Kind of disappointed just because of the smoke and quality of the meat wasn't as good as usual. But overall, good for Saturday.